First tonight, a group of parents challenging Rhode Island's public school mask mandate are doubling down on their stance. Good evening, I'm Shannon HEGY.
And I'm Kim Kalunian. The group has now filed an appeal with the courts. On Friday, a judge sided with state leaders and upheld the mask mandate on the same day that the governor extended the executive order on it.
The group of parents met tonight as they wait to see if the state Supreme Court will hear their case. 12 News reporter SHIINA LOSCIUTO was there and joins us now from SCITUATE with why they aren't giving up. SHIINA?
Although the judge did not side with them, the group says the judge still validated a lot of their big concerns. Meanwhile, state health officials say masks are a way to keep your child safe. The group of parents hoping to overturn the state's school mask mandate is taking the battle one step further after a judge ruled against them on Friday.
Our attorney has prepared an appeal, and that was filed today with the Supreme Court of Rhode Island.
In this case, the judge agreed the school mask mandate is causing some students irreparable harm, but they found broader public health concerns outweigh that. Gloucester parent Richard Southwell is the lead plaintiff in the suit. His son is currently homeschooled, and he tells us his family made that decision after the universal school mask mandate was announced earlier this year. He says the mandate is the sole reason his child is learning from home.
This is a dangerous policy, and it is a harmful policy for very little, if any, benefit.
As the group waits to see if a judge is willing to take up their appeal, they continue to talk about what's next. Southwell says he's hopeful lawmakers in Rhode Island will listen. He claims many of the messages people have sent to elected officials have not been returned.
They no longer have the luxury of sitting on the sidelines.
Representative Mike Chippendale answered the group's questions and says he's hopeful lawmakers will at least address this come January.
I'm looking forward to hopefully a more robust and full-bodied approach by both chambers, the Senate and the House.
The governor's office tells 12 News McKee was grateful for the judge's decision. Health Director Dr. Nicole Alexander Scott was asked about the lawsuit at Tuesday's briefing. This is what she had to say.
Masking works. It helps keep our children and people safe, and it's the tool that we want to use to make sure that our kids are able to stay in school and learn and do what's needed.
Southwell says he hopes to find out more on if or how this appeal will move forward in the next week or so, but right now the timeline isn't very clear. Reporting in SCITUATE, I'm SHIINA LOSCIUTO, 12 News.